This is the 14 bubbles Hollywood mirror you will receive, and it is multifunction. It can be hanging on the wall or put on table. You can see this is 2 screws. This is the 2 parts for you to put the mirror on the table. Later we'll show you. And on the back, here is the 2 holes for you to hanging the mirror to the wall. Now I will take out the screws. Here is the table mirror you will get. This is the power cable. This will connect to the mirror. This will connect to the outer power. Now the mirror is connected with the power. I will show you. This is on and off power. Now we'll put it on. And the end button, you can change the light colors like this. This one is the white. Nature, warm. The P button can change the brightness. Darker, brighter. Darker, brighter, darker, brighter. You can get any light you want. Okay, enjoy the mirror for your makeup.